question mark. The 25-minute work week concept is a concept we like to use in order to get us focused on efficiency in trading. A lot of people tend to want to get into shorter and shorter and shorter time frames over time, and that can be good if you really are into that, but otherwise it's usually not a good thing. It's not a good psychology. For example, in regards to another concept, the internet. The internet initially was a concept that was supposed to make our lives easier, that was supposed to be more efficient and hugely cost-saving and time-saving as well. But the internet has become a monster for a lot of people, using up all their time, creating even more work for themselves than ever, getting them distracted, and getting them to become more poorer than ever. And that's not a good thing. So in order to correct this concept or this direction where the internet has gone and where trading has gone, we need these types of sayings, these concepts, such as a 25-minute work week. Now, what is a 25-minute work week? A 25-minute work week means that we engage in the activity of working for 5 minutes a day for 5 days. Now, how is that possible? How is it possible to only work 25 minutes a week and make a living? Well, you trade in a certain way. And usually the method associated with a 25-minute work week would be swing trading. Now, you can also look at trend trading, but that takes even less time. So, with the 25-minute work week, we're focused on swing trading, and we have a lot of very good swing trading methods. Now, also for time efficiency, we want to trade a system, not a strategy. A system is a set of rules where we do those rules over and over as the opportunity, as the setup comes about on the price chart. We are not trying to optimize or pick and choose what opportunity would be better than others. That's strategy trading. And if you want to do strategy trading, then that's going to involve more time, more effort, and so on. Now, a lot of people by personality are more like strategy traders, but you know what? If you want to make a good living as a strategy trader, you still have to be systematic in your approach. You have to set goals, and those goals must be burning hot within you to drive you to achieve those goals. With a system, you don't really need to set goals. All you need to do is turn the system into a habit, and then it's almost as if you're doing nothing. It becomes so easy, and as you progress, it's just simply netting out profits from week to week or month to month with swing trading. Then what do you do from there? Well, you keep on doing the same thing. When you can turn swing trading into a habit, then also, if you can have success in swing trading, which means that you probably wouldn't turn it into a habit unless you had that success in the first place, then when you can turn profitable swing trading into a habit, then all you need to do is increase your position size as your trading account grows, and you're set. You're going to be automatically compounding, and that's a powerful thing. So the best thing you can do to get started is just go to Options Trading Authority, and right on the front page you'll see this 25-minute work week concept. Or you should be able to see a link below if you're on, say, YouTube. And so you go sign up, free newsletter, and we have series of emails that will teach you about this concept and how to keep focused on it, in addition to showing you various swing trading systems with options that you can also use with stocks, of course. And technically, with most of these systems, you can use them with futures and Forex and various other assets. So come on over if you're interested in the 25-minute work week and join this 25-minute work week newsletter. Again, it's designed as a section on Options Trading Authority to help provide focus and a reminder to make this concept happen. Look, time's very valuable, right? If we keep putting all of our time into something that is not in line with who we are or any sort of destiny concept of, what you need to do in life here, then you're going to have problems. We all don't want problems, right? We want to be able to do a good job with this life. And so getting sucked into this world, as some would call the Matrix, can really ruin you. So it can also waste a lot of time. So then, therefore, what we want to do is empower ourselves by getting time back. And we can do that by methodically learning good swing trading systems and putting them to work. Look, it's not even going to take 5 minutes on most nights. 5 minutes was just a good average figure. I mean, you could log in and putz around and take longer if you wanted, but really to trade the system, that is to trade a system, you just look at the charts, see if you have a trade. If you have a trade, you put it on. If you're in a trade and you're progressing in the trade, then you adjust your trail stop method. We use contingent orders with options, or you can even use price alerts if your broker doesn't have those. And that's about it. That's all you need to do. Okay, and of course we set our initial stop. Sometimes you don't have to even use a stop loss. You can factor your risk into your position size, which usually means you're having a smaller position size, but you can do things like that as well if you want. And we use contingent orders for stop losses, not actual option stop losses. So come on over and join this free newsletter. If you have any questions, let us know. I can tell you it's very good to have a focus like this and a reminder for us to get our time back, to stop getting sucked into all these things that waste time. Be bold to create methods that can provide you income and while taking very little time, right? If you treat trading seriously and do an excellent job at it, you can make this happen, right? Too many people treat trading as a gimmick. Well, then, gimmick result is what they get. Those who want to just do a basic good job at trading a good system very well, they can succeed like so many of our students have in the past. Okay, so you can go here. You can look at our options swing trading systems on Options Trading Authority. And we have some extremely good options swing trading systems. I hope we can communicate that to you, because if you have the ability to purchase one of the systems, it would be a very valuable thing to do so. And if you're able to put to work that very valuable trading system and turn it into a successful habit, well, that value is increased to, I don't know what amount you want to put to it, okay? Because you can keep growing and expanding, and with consistent performance and a percent-based position model, you could keep growing and increasing the rate of your success, going parabolic in the value of your trading account. All right, so it's fun, exciting stuff, but you just need to do a little bit of work. It's not too much, but you do need to do some work to learn a system. Fortunately, we've made this crystal clear and simplified for you. You know, as they say, simplification is genius, and you've got some genius going on in these trading systems. So, if you want to know what would be best for you, you can contact us. And that's about it. All right, so I hope that you can start getting your time back and trade in a smart way with these types of time leverage approaches that we have here at Options Trading Authority. Okay, and keep the perspective of the 25-minute work week. Oh, one more thing. Speaking of time perspective and a great learning lesson, I'll give you an extra tip. There's a book out there on Amazon or whatever bookstore that's been very popular over the years in trading, and you may already have it, I don't know. It's called How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market by Nicholas Darvis. Okay? And I believe it's Darvas. Nicholas Darvis. But you can just look up that title. You should be able to find it very quickly and read that book multiple times. It will teach you about the concept of getting yourself to a point in your trading where you simplify it to just a couple minute, or actually a few seconds of a glance, and you'll know whether or not to do something in regards to your system in terms of an entry or profit-taking trail stop, right? There are great lessons in that book, and it's going to help you out a ton. And when you get that information in your head and his life experience, you'll start recalling it as you gain more experience in trading, and that will be very helpful into the future. Okay, thank you.